Hello, in front of me Huion Kamvas 22 Plus, and now I can show you how to change processor sensitivity on this device. So firstly, you need to open application Huion tablet, and then here in this application you need to find digital pen, click on it, and here click pressure sensitivity adjustment. And here as you can see we have this square, and here we have the line. With this line we can change the sensitivity. So here we have the curve and we can change it. And for example, now we making our pressure sensitivity softer. So as you can see now I click so soft and it's almost max, as you can see. I can make it softer. So now, as you can see, I just clicking. It's very light click, and it's very soft. Okay, but we can make it harder. So to do it, we just need to move it. And now, as you can see, now I'm clicking, and now I make it hard, and it's not max. Of course, I can click harder, but as you can see, it's not too smooth, because I make it smooth physically, but computer see it not too smooth. So I don't suggest to use this mode. I suggest to use harder or softer mode, but not hard or soft. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.